Good evening, everybody, my dear brothers and sisters. And today we'll be talking about the APC political war between the Governor Noga's Godwin Obaseki and Comrade Odumu Oshomole. Before we start, I would like to play you a certain video. Oshomole now have his own APC secretariat in Airport Road.
Office of the APC, which is regarded as the secretariat for the APC members loyal to the state governor and has Asemo Jesua as chairman. Normal activities were ongoing. The situation was not different at the new factional office of the party, which has Colonel David Imose retired as chairman. Members of the APC loyal to the state governor described the letter from the national chairman relocating the office as not only laughable but done with reckless abandon. The publicity secretary, Pastor Joseph Osagede, read out provisions of the party's constitution that can lead to establishment of an office.
We are not in a banana republic. We are not a party that is unguided by constitution. Here is a copy of our constitution, a paper that governs the party. And in Article 8, it states very clear, is it his personal office? Is it a personal property that you relocate? When the law says it is the state executive committee, if there is need for us to relocate, that we write to the National Executive Committee, not even the National Working Committee. We will write to inform the National Executive Committee that we have relocated our office to XYZ. The man is just writing and behaving as if he owns the party, he owns the country, he owns everybody, and nobody can talk to him. When I had
Today we'll be talking about Obaseki and Adams Oshomole. You see, for some time now, I just busy myself with my Niger Delta, Edo Midwest, restoration business. So to me, I don't really believe in this local politics, because I know Nigeria is finished. So that doesn't mean when we see things that is not right, we will not say it. Oshomole own is becoming too much. Oshomole behavior is becoming annoying. I think it is time for Governor Obaseki. It is time for Governor Obaseki to really prove that, yes, he's the governor of Edo State. You can't be the governor and not be governor. Obaseki is not really, exercising his executive power as a governor. I believe that is the reason why Oshomole is messing him up like this. I am not saying this because I like Obaseki. I'm saying this because what you know, if they do to you, you will not like it. It is not good you do it to other person. Do your fellow brother. When Oshomole was the governor, nobody dared him. You can't try this kind of nonsense in Edo when Oshomole was the governor. You can't try it. For the 8 years Oshomole spent as the governor, he kept insulting the past governor, everybody, call them corrupt, insult chiefs, insult everybody. But because of the people, Edo State people need change. Everybody supported him. He keep accusing people of corruption, accusing people, you are a criminal, you are this, you are that. Even today, any given opportunity, you give Oshomole microphone, the first thing he will do is to be insulting opposition. Because that's what makes him happy. Oshomole 8 years as a governor in Edo State, that's what he always insults people. He must insult people for you to see him as a saint. He must show himself. Thank God the other day. That's why Governor Wike caught him to his eyes. Why am I saying this? All these things he's doing to Governor Obaseki now, nobody can do it. Nobody, you can't try it when he was the governor. How can you give Yahaya Bello second term? And you said a performing governor must go. You are not accusing the governor now if maybe he's stealing money. I think Oshomole is Oshomole case. Oshomole. I think the governor, it is time for the governor to stand up and really show to this miscreant that yes, he is the governor of Edo State. You are the governor of Edo State. A year ago, I posted a video here. Some people always say the reason why Oshomole is fighting the governor, it is because these are Agberus. I said, no, that is not the reason why Oshomole is fighting the governor. Those Agberus in Edo, those then Kabaka and the rest. That are not, people think that is the reason. No. Oshomole is fighting the governor because of the money, because of the hospital, that uncompleted building, and this water storm project, that 30 billion. And I will break it down. Oshomole is not fighting the governor because of what Kabaka is saying. No, that is not the reason why why Oshomole is fighting the governor. I will tell you the reason why Oshomole is fighting the governor. I think it is time for the governor to act. Because what Oshomole is trying to do to the governor now, nobody try it to him. When he was the governor in Edo State, Oshomole will not tolerate it. It is time for Obaseki to act. Oshomole will not allow. In fact, Obaseki should not allow any parallel state secretariat under his walls. No. I think the governor need to act with ruthlessness. You have to deal with these people once and for all. You are the governor. You have to do something. Some people will remember you of. How can a tout group establish a parallel APC headquarters under your walls? Tout, Agberus. The governor needs to act now. You can try this in Oshomole. All Edo indigenes, we the Edos, we know nobody can try this to Oshomole. You can go to Kogi. The president's wife will need them begging Kogi people to re-elect Yahaya Bello. Governor El-Rufai will go to Kogi, kneeling down to re-elect Yahaya Bello. And you said a performing governor must go. Obaseki needs to be acting like Governor Wike now. That is the reason why people are saying scandal against Governor Wike. I don't care. Governor Wike is bold. You have to discipline these people now, even though they don't give you ticket. Discipline them. And Edo people, if Oshomole succeed, we will regret. We will regret. Because when Jonathan was in office, the same Buhari was the Messiah. Look at Obaseki. Look, when they kicked Jonathan out. Look today, people are suffering. People are saying, I don't know. The same thing will happen to Edo people. God, this man Obaseki is the best. I don't play politics. But I hate APC. I hate APC because Buhari I believe APC is a northern political party. I don't like in the north. I don't like Buhari and these Fulani people them. But the man, I'm talking about the man. He brought some sanity, to Edo State government. It is time for the governor to begin to treat their fuck up. All these Agberus them. What they are doing to you now, nobody can try it to Oshomole when he was the governor. Nobody. You can't try it to Oshomole. It's time to tell these people, you be Edo man. Enough is enough. You have tolerated enough. I have one question for Oshomole. Why Oshomole is running now? for the same, he's running for the same primary he used for the same primary he used to select the party flag bearer in 2016. Why? I think it's time for Obaseki to act now. It is time for you to act now. All this, because why they are ganging up against you now, we all know. It's for their own pocket. When they talk, you know. When they talk, you know. What they want to do now is for Oshiomhole to write the result. To rig you out. It's time for you to act now. Oshiomhole plan is going to fail. Oshiomhole plan is going to fail. I don't believe it. I always say it here. All this nonsense that is going on in APC now. How I wish any political party strong enough to kick these animals out. I'll be very happy. Even I don't care if it is PDP. People always say PDP corrupt. To hell with all of you. If anybody, even if it is bring the criminal from PDP and kick these APC stupid people out of Edo government now. Because they are not serious. After all, those guys in Oshiomhole camp now, let's start with Odubu. Odubu was a PDP man who destroyed Governor Igbenedion government. Who commissioned, who built, he deceived the governor to come and commission Bueho, fake Bueho. They went and water tank, put some water tank and asked the governor to come and commission it. After commissioning the Bueho, a few hours later, no water, and people started crying. You gave us this water in this village. You said this Bueho is for us. Why is it that it was a fake Bueho? Those are the people who embezzled, destroyed PDP. He came from PDP, became the deputy governor under Oshiomhole. Is it Yamu? The same Oshiomhole said Yamu was a criminal, was a thief. We call him all sorts of names. I don't see anybody there you can use to compare the governor. I don't see anybody there to compare this governor. So my Edo people, like I said before, I will break it down today. The only reason Oshiomhole is insisting in direct primary, it is because he wants to rig Obaseki out. And Obaseki is a very intelligent man. Don't allow this nonsense. Don't allow this nonsense in your state. You are the governor, even though it is 3 months left. That 3 months is okay for you to deal with these people. For these 4 years, opposition party never fight this governor. Never. For these 4 years, opposition party never say anything scandalous against this governor. Because they know he's a good man. This Agberu ganging up against the governor. This Agberu that is singing nonsense now. They were with Governor Lucky Igbenedion under PDP. When APC took over office, they work under Oshiomhole too for 16 years. Must you work under every government? Must you people work in every government in Edo? As if Edo belongs to you people alone. Me, I'm from Edo too. We can allow these few corrupt Edos who feels the state belongs to them and to them and their family. Enough is enough. The governor inherits billions debt, billions. He never probed Oshiomhole. Is it the 30 billion Waterstone project Oshiomhole took? With this guy now that is now a minister under Buhari. Now let me break it down. I just two reasons why Oshiomhole need to be very careful. Now, because I don't want to stay too long. Now, you see that hospital. When Oshiomhole built a university in Iyamu, in his own village, fine. Abruzali built university in Ekpoma too, fine. He built university in Iyamu. He said for Edo State owns 30% out of it. He holds 70% out of it. Oshiomhole was nobody. When Abruz Ali built that Edo State University, he did not build it on his name. It's for the state. Oshomole University at Iyamo, he said the Edo State owns 30%, not 30%. And Oshomole was just ordinary tailor. He built his palace, that the finest, the biggest and finest in the whole Africa, in Iyamo. Where did he get that money from? How much was his salary? And he complete the university, he complete his house. The only thing he built in Edo, in Benin, was that hospital, uncompleted building. And they collected 9 billion before the building collapsed. They have to collect another 27 to 26 billion again. Go to Benin City. Go and see that building. If that building worth even 9 billion, what Oshomole collected over 30-something billion to build. Now, I see that is not enough. You have to go and force Buhari, the brain-dead Buhari, to come and launch empty building. What did they do? You see that day, Buhari opened that hospital. You see that bed you were seeing there. Let me tell you what happened. Governor Igbinedion, that is Lucky Igbinedion, we always say, he was bad. He was bad. A bad man. Build another standard hospital in Benin City. They call the hospital now Stella Obasanjo Hospital. They name it because of that woman, Obasanjo wife that died. So they now named the building Stella Obasanjo Hospital. Completed. He built everything with equipment inside. That is where they are treating this COVID-19 patients now. That same governor who they said was bad, go to Benin City, it's a standard hospital. It's the best hospital now in Benin. Very big, standard. But Oshomole, they call Mr. Perfect, the good man, could not, empty building. He collected billions. How much did Lucky spend to build that hospital? It's not even up to 9 billion. The one Oshomole collected, he collected 9 billion. They said, oh, the building collapsed. They have to collect another 23 billion again. I'm not talking about the is it not 19 billion Oshomole collected. So he said there's medical equipment that is coming from Europe. This is what happened. You see that day Buhari came to launch the hospital, to open the hospital. You see those beds you were seeing there. They went to Stella Obasanjo Hospital, the one Lucky built in the middle night, so that Buhari can come, because there was no time for Oshomole. He was leaving. There was no time for him. They said it is uncompleted building, but he want people. They said, okay, leave it like this. Now that mistakes have been done, billions have been spent here. Just go. Let another governor comes in and finish the project. Oshomole said no. He just want people to see him as a good man, so that we will say Oshomole is the one that built this hospital. But it's a completed building. He said no. He have to go in the middle of the night to go and pack those beds, those equipment from that Stella Obasanjo, for Buhari to open the hospital. After Buhari opened the hospital, they have to pack those equipment back to that hospital, because that equipment belongs to that hospital. Can't you see how Oshomole is very corny? Very corny. You see the reason why I hate these politicians. All these politicians. Now, you build hospital, nothing inside. You have to go in the middle now, go and be stealing the bed from some equipment from Stella Obasanjo Hospital. Up till now, we are still waiting for the medical equipment Oshomole promised to do people. He collected over 19 billion for. We are still waiting for the medical equipment. He said he bought from Europeans that said bringing it up till now. So ever since, Oshomole have been telling the governor, you go and finish it. You must finish it. So the governor asked. The governor is asking him, what about the billions you collected? You said there is equipment, medical equipment that is coming. Where is it? Where is it? And the money, the people are also supposed to renovate the building. You can't just tell me to go and complete it. That was the problem. Oshomole have been fighting, telling the governor, you must go and complete it. It's your right to complete it. It is continuous. You must do it. And the governor said it is him. He don't have that money. The governor will be paying debt. Paying debt. I can't do that. That is the reason why this COVID-19 thing, they always take patience to that Stella Obasanjo. The same governor, PDP Governor Lucky Igbeneghu, they said was a criminal. He did not work at all. Your Mr. Work now, what did he do for you? Is it the water storm 30 billion project? 30 billion. We have been crying now for 4 years. People have been writing a petition to EFCC to call Oshomole for question. The other day, the governor want to probe him. Oshomole have to go to court to say he is above probing. This is what happened. That's the reason why the Oshomole hates. Oshomole hates the governor. Because the governor refused to be foolish. Oshomole is a thief. That's the reason why I am happy for another political party to come see and probe these people. The governor have to act now. The governor have to act now. These people that is with Oshomole, these Agberus, they have been working. They worked under Lucky Igbeneghu. They work under Oshomole. Must they work under Governor Obaseki? So my Edo people, the reasonable Edos, my reasonable Edos, there is no time to waste. There is no time. Time to act is now. The time to act is now. There is no way Oshomole will rig that primary. There is no way Oshomole will rig Obaseki out. But I'm praying if opposition can bring anybody better than all these people in APC in Edo, I would have been happy. But with the way things are going on in Edo, the opposition, they are not doing anything. The opposition are not doing anything. They are just sleeping. Enough is enough of these APC people, Oshomole and his gang. You collected 30 billion for Edo Water Storm Project. Where is that 30 billion? Where is that 30 billion? You can complete the university you built, your university you built in Iyamu. All the hotels you built in, they said your children have properties in America. You were nobody before you became the governor. It was even this Obaseki who helped you with the money you used to campaign. Today you are a billionaire now. Thank you, everybody. Like I said, I don't want to stay too long. Solidarity to Obaseki. Obaseki, there is nothing Oshomole can do about it. Obaseki 4 years must complete. And there is nothing anybody. If PDP now have a better candidate, a better person, I would have been very happy. Because I'm tired of these APC animals. I call them APC animals. They reason like Buhari. They are just like Buhari. They are like these IPOB animals, these Igbos, Onyamiri people. Onyamiri, Buhari Fulani, the Igbo Onyamiri, those born slave, and the Buhari Fulani, and those APC people in Edo. They are the same brain-dead people, confused people. Brain dead and confused. How which a opposition party, even if it's AAC, can bring a better person. But Obaseki, I know you try, but with that name APC, carry your APC, go to the north, and those Onyamiri Igbos. Oh yeah, all of you go. You guys are cursed people. All these people, You are fighting. What are you fighting the governor for? He is the best governor in Nigeria for now. The best governor in Nigeria. Tell me one governor you can use to compare Obaseki. I don't know. Bring one as the only person I can use. I will say, okay, this man like Obaseki, they are the same with Obaseki. I will talking about Borno State governor. Wike is also trying. All these Igbo, all those Igbo animal governors, all those are Fulani slave governors in the East, and we are not talking about those animals. We are talking about responsible people with the brain. Thank you, and God bless. Solidarity to the governor, Obaseki, Governor Godwin Obaseki. Thank you.